And then we haven't even looked back at the it's a May pocket. You kept dying, you need to sleep. Fair. Get some rest. Get some rest. You worked hard today, Sassy. Take care of yourself. Thank you so much for the gift subs earlier, by the way. Have a great night and take care of yourself. Nita is back. Welcome back, Nita. I'm sorry to say that we are finishing up. We did not finish the set. We're just recapping everything we did do and marveling over how cool it all is. This is just another one of those sets that's like, if I had have had this when I was a kid, I just would have lost my mind over it. Just like the HQ itself. I could just get that looking a little bit better. I'd be so happy. Angles are hard, man. I don't even know what to do here. All right, maybe that. But yeah, and then we have the bad guys. And usually in a set like this, the bad guys get truly shafted. Now, obviously, when we build the rest of the drone copter, they're going to be at a bit of a disadvantage, but you know, they've got two drone boys. We've got the Queen of Spiders herself. We've got Syntax and Huntsman. That's the full crew. Or at least the full crew that exists in minifig form. There's one more character that wasn't ever made as a minifig, unfortunately. And he doesn't have a name other than Big Spider. I would love for them to make him eventually, but I don't think they will, because they're pretty much done with these characters now. But yeah, usually the bad guys get shafted in a set like this. Here, I don't really feel like they have been. I feel like this is a really cool build for the bad guys. Especially because of how the flick fire missiles are so well realized here. With these little bits that pop out when you load in the missiles, allowing you to easily get access, but otherwise have it be pretty much sealed up. And look at that big cannon. Like, that is going to take down the drone copter easy. The potential for play here already is so cool. I didn't even touch on the Red Sun's badass flying surfboard. And we've got a civilian for them to save. It's just cool. And that's my verdict so far. We're still not even done. We're like halfway through this set. And it's already so cool. Let's get a look at how it all looks with it all folded out even. Look at the amount of stuff you get. And it's only half the set. What does this set retail for? 80023. $230 at least. That's what it is coming up as at Maya. I got it for 137. 137 for this. I kind of wish I bought another one. Because this is awesome. 230. Honestly, kind of feels worth it. It's a little shy of the 10 cent per piece ratio that we usually go for. In fact, it's nearly double that. $230 for 1,400 pieces. It's not great. At $137, it's a good deal at that point. That's cheap versus the what is HP dollar? $400? Wait, did you do a conversion of that, of how much this is? And it's 400 Australian dollars where you are, Nita? Because that's actually ridiculous. If that's the case. But yeah, here, this is... If you want to pick this up, I believe it's still available at Amazon for $137. I'll double check that. Oh god, has it actually sold out now? It's actually sold out. This was available like days ago for $137 from Amazon. And now it's sold out, so that's unfortunate. But it is $160 at Target, and honestly, it's definitely worth $160. You get all this and it's just half the set. It's awesome.
I want to take this opportunity to thank you for such a fun stream. I have really enjoyed this set so far. So much cool looking stuff, and I am looking forward to seeing the rest of it.
Me too, Vix. Me too. Thank you so much for another 100 bits. You've cheered a hell of a lot today, Vix, so thank you very much for your continued support. I look forward to building this next time. Finishing it up. And swooshing that drone copter around is going to be a blast. But for now, we need to finish up so that we can go raid my buddy, my pal, my chum, Tank Media Games. Why is my browser suddenly in light mode again? It wasn't before. Like minutes ago. How do I make it dark mode? I found it. Oh, that's so much better. Alright, gang. It's been fun. We're 7 hours in. Sorry it's a little bit shorter than usual on a Saturday. But I'll make it up to you next weekend, hopefully. And we can finish this, hopefully at some point during this week. I'd like to finish it before next Saturday because I want to build another set next Saturday. Yeah, awesome. I am loving Monkey Kid stuff right now. It's all so much fun. The sets are just a delight. Very expensive, but when you're getting them for half price because no one else wants them, they're not so bad. And the newest wave is actually really reasonably priced. So, you know, that's always an option too. Cool. All right, guys, I hope you all enjoyed today's stream. It looks like you did. Thank you very much for your kind words. If it's now, I'll hang. Yep, it's right now, Colin. Right now. We are finishing up. We're heading over to Tank because he's been live for 22 hours and 30